So hello everyone. So my name is Katenda Kawodzera. I'm from Mutare, Zimbabwe. I am so glad that I have this opportunity to introduce myself to you. And I like the hobbies that I like. I like to play sports and to exercise. Those are some of the interesting things that I really love in my life. And I also love like other interesting activities like watching movies, listening to music. I love every different genre of movie. I don't really select. I watch every type of movie, but I also have some that I really like more. And also, when it comes to music, I really enjoy pop music and country music. It's actually my favorite type of music. And my family, I have three brothers and one sister. And my favorite food, I think I can eat anything that makes me feel good. I think I don't really have a specific type of food that I like more. And when it comes to books, I enjoyed Wuthering Heights. Like that is one of the books that I once read, and I really liked that book. It was really interesting. And so those are the kind of books that I love to read. And what I would like my career to have, or what I'm hoping to have in the future, is to maybe to get a job and get a nice career in the future, because it's something that I'm working for if I finish this public health program. So what I also learned about work week one as worksheet activity, I learned about thinking outside the box. Thinking outside the box is something that really helped me to understand some of the things that I never really understood back then. For example, we they gave us an example that like you need to help something to put like a giraffe inside the refrigerator and all those things. I never thought the way that they were thinking, I guess, but I managed to realize why it is important. If we think outside the box, we can be able to achieve some goals that can be hard for us to achieve in our lives. And I, those are some of the things that I have learned from that activity. I couldn't really do a video because I was really struggling on how to do it, but this is what I've managed, and I think it's something that can help us all to know each other. I'm so glad to hear from you and to see your videos, and they have helped me a lot. I've learned much about you guys, and I think you're such wonderful people. And thank you so much.